Okay, so now we're moving on to generating reports from a query. So to do this within an application page, we're gonna have to build a new page that actually focuses on generating a query based on a an SQL query. So what we're gonna do, gonna get into the SQL commands, and then we're gonna go back to the database, and then here we're gonna click edit. And then from there, we're going to be in this page and we can see create page. But I've already attempted this before and encountered an error. So I'll be showing how to delete a page as well. So we're just going to click the page that we want to enter and edit. And then we're going to see, you're going to see this utilities tab here. So what you're going to do is click it and then there will be the delete page right there. It will prompt you with a message asking, are you sure you want to delete it? So that is a confirm page delete, yes. And then when you do, if you want to do it and you're sure that you want to delete it, there you're gonna see a green dot on the bottom saying permanently delete page. So we're gonna click that and permanently delete that page. So the page has been deleted. And when we go back to the application page, we're gonna be looking for page 6. There is no page 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skips to 7. So we're gonna create a new page. Create a new page. And to create a new page, what we want to do is generate a report from a query. So we're going to be looking for a report. So it's going to be a report, and then we're just going to use the classic report. So for this one, we're going to be using page number 6, and we're going to give it the name who rented LM655AU. So we're going to give it breadcrumbs, and the parent entry will be the home page. So we already have something under the home page, but we can also add another one. So we're going to click next, and there we're going to click create a new navigation menu entry under the home page. So the navigation menu entry will be who rented LM65, but the parent navigation menu entry will be the home. So we click next. Okay, it's been clicked. All right. So we're going to click next, and then what it's going to do is going to show us the SQL side, and it's going to ask us what we want to add as a source type. So what we're going to do, so it's asking for the source for the data. So we know that's going to be in the local database, so we don't change anything. And the source type will be an SQL query. So the query I will be using is from documents. I know I've used this query before and I know it works, and I want to see which customer rented the car LM655AU. So we're going to be using this code, and this is my code as well. So we're going to be pasting that there, and we're going to be using that. This code, what it does, it selects the rental cars, it shows the license plate number, the customer's first name and the customer's surname from the customer's table, and also the phone number and the reference number. And here it specifies which tables this information, this data will be coming from, and it will also specify what is being referenced. Well, it will specify. So when it says where, it will look for what is equal. So basically, in customer reference, the the reference number must be the same as the reference number within the rented cars column. So it will only show whoever has the same values. So, and the license plate number must be LM655AU because we want to see who is rented that specific car. So basically, we're going to create that, and it will take a while to create. After we create it, press the create button. So give it a second, it should be finished by now. And there we go, it's finished. So now I want to give this page administration rights, and only administrators can get these rights. So I'm going to save that. I know we're going to go back here. So now since it's a page now and the SQL query is within that page, whenever we run that page, it will run that SQL query and it will give the answers or it will give the output report within that page. So we're gonna go back to this and we're just gonna click home and it should appear here within this drop down menu. So now we have who rented LM655AU. We click on that and it will run the query and now we can see Mr. Daniel Porter rented license plate number LM655AU. It shows his phone number and it shows his customer reference number. That, guys, is how we see. That's how we generate a report from a query using a page on the application builder. Thank you.